郵便局 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 is mean post office. As you see the picture in here is marked in red. So every post office in Japan is marked in red and they call 郵便局. So if you don't have the post office, that means we cannot send anything. That means we need that 郵便局. So when you want to send a thing, you have to go to the post office. So you can say like 明日郵便局へ行きます。明日郵便局へ行きます。Which means I will go to the post office tomorrow. I will go to the post office tomorrow. Or if you want to take the package to the post office, you can say like 明日小包を郵便局に持って行きます。明日小包を郵便局に持って行きます。Which means I will take the package to the post office tomorrow.